besties, thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. Today we are going to be achieving this sexy mop wife, smoky eye, seductive cat eye, siren eye, whatever you want to call this look. This is what we're going to be getting into today, so let's get right to it. I feel like this look can be really different for everyone. I'm going to just be doing my brows how I normally do them. Of course, start off with a primer for your face. Make sure your skin is nice and clean. I made sure that I'm just concealing my brows and I just fluffed them up with some gel. I'm actually going to be using two palettes today. This BFF eyeshadow palette, I got this about 2 years ago. Then I'm also going to be using a Slate by Shea palette. I actually forgot the name of it, but everything will be linked in the description for you guys. I actually taped my eyes because I wanted the look to look super duper clean, so this is actually a really important step. Tape or makeup tape will work. Either one is fine. Here I am trying to measure it and make sure that it's actually even because I've done this a couple times and it is completely wonky. So after we do that, we're going to go in and start warming up our eyes by using a lighter brown or yellow, something just to give our eyes a little bit of color. I actually messed up and started going in with the dark brown, but then later on ended up adding a little bit of like a more soft nude. Like I said, a light brown or yellow, just warming up our lids. Next, I'm going to be going in with a little bit more of a warm brown, and the key to making this makeup look so snatched is really focusing on where the tape is and not packing too much color on our inner eyes, because then it'll just become more like a full eye glam instead of a cat eye. And we want it to look really winged and snatched, so really focus on the tape. Like you're almost going to be applying as much makeup on the tape as you are on your eye, because we don't want to put a bunch of foundation on our eyes. And like I told you guys, I ended up going in and adding a little bit more of light colors because I messed up and did not do this in the beginning. So don't forget to add your lighter colors in the beginning so that you have more to blend out. Okay, time for the really scary part, for me at least. I am not really good with working with black eyeshadow or dark browns, so now we're going to be going in with a dark brown, a blacker eyeshadow, and I'm going to be using an angled brush. This part was so scary for me, but if you just start by applying more makeup onto the tape than your eyes, I feel like it is a safer bet. It leaves more room for error. You get more familiar with how much pigment is actually going to be coming off, because I know all black eyeshadows are different. And like I said, you guys, we're going to be blending the mess out of our eyes. I blended this out for a good 15 minutes, but I just cut that out for you guys because I didn't want to make this video too long. After we apply our foundation, we are going to be going in with some concealer, and I'm going to be doing a cream contour today because this look is super snatched and I have a very cherubic, chubby face, so I wanted to make sure my jaw looked a little bit more snatched and defined today, and I also contoured my nose a little bit. Next, I'm going to be going in with a powder contour and just going over the same spots that I went in with the cream. I also added some blush when I did my cream contour. We do that, we're going to end up baking our faces for about 10 to 15 minutes. I wait that long because I get super oily for some reason when I put makeup on, and I'm typically not. This is the end result, you guys. This makeup look is super universal, and really the only thing that makes it difficult is the eyes, but if you guys follow the steps with the tape and just blending your little soul out, this is what it should look like in the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, besties!